Welcome to the Tech House channel. On this channel, we will review coins, projects, and many other things related to the crypto field. So if this is your first time watching our channel, subscribe now.
Hello friends, and welcome to the Token House channel. Today, we're gonna get to know the CoinEx platform. This platform is for trading cryptocurrencies. Of course, my friends, it offers buying and selling services, as well as trading digital assets through the spot market, derivatives, and additional services for storing and managing assets. Also, the trading structure focuses on main and secondary spot pairs, with pretty good liquidity in the pairs, though it's relatively low compared to the bigger exchanges. As for the product, there's spot trading, derivatives contracts, lending and custody services, an automated market maker, and many other things. So, of course, my dear friends, here we can obviously see the statistics and all the details related to this platform. Also, my friends, if we look here, the platform has an app on the App Store, Google Play, Android APK, and the Galaxy Store. And of course, here's the QR code. You can just scan the screen or, do a scan, and the link will show up for you right away. Here, my friends, we can see everything related to, of course, copy trading, copy and trades. Here, my friends, we have some statistics in this section. Here, my friends, is the section for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Here, we can see, through P2P, you can buy through P2P. So P2P, of course, this is something well known. And if you want an explanation about this topic, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel, okay? Here, my friends, you can also buy using a Visa card. We can also see the markets here in this section. We see the markets. Of course, my friends, there are so many features on this platform, as you can see with me. Here, these are the market data. Here we have the community. Of course, we see an overview of the market. Here, my friends, we see their own coin. We also see Bitcoin here. This is its current price. It went up a little bit, as we can see here. Of course, my friends, let's take a look at this section. There are also comments. For example, this comment was posted 5 hours ago, and so on. So take a look with me. Okay, so here, for example, the price it was, and so on. Where is it now? It has become, as you can see with me. Okay, all right, my friend. You can see like 7 days, 24 hours. Here, meaning from the beginning until now. Of course, my friends, as you can see, everything is clear right here in front of you. All right, so now we're looking at these things, as you can see with me. We also have, my friends, the section for spot trading, naturally, in this area. We have, of course, in this section, we find the exchange feature. You can, for example, swap between Bitcoin and their token, or to USDT and do a swap. Okay, and the swap happens, as you can see with me. Okay, all right. There's also spot trading. Trading before the token is released, blockchain, strategic trading. There are also futures contracts. In the futures section, we find copy trading here. Yes, my friends, here is copy trading. We see traders and so on. We can copy their trades. You just click on copy like this, but you have to open an account, of course, my friends. And once you open your account, just complete the rest of the steps. All right. We also have here, my friends, of course, we also find, my friends, staking and many other things. Here, we find the upgrade in this section. That is, the deposit bonus is here. For example, here we find undermine, the deposit bonus. Of course, everything has its own conditions, okay? This is an important point you need to know. Here is the referral section. Of course, my friends, you can open an account and work with the referral program. Of course, my friends, you need to have an audience and so on, or share it on WhatsApp and many other things like that. All right, here, of course, is for learning. This is a special section for VIPs. Here you'll find articles and so on about the CoinEx platform, okay? Of course, about different topics, about many things you can definitely understand by reading these articles. As you can see with me, here we have their social media accounts. So you can follow them, okay? Of course, here we see they have email, Telegram, Facebook, a YouTube channel, and also Discord. Okay? So, of course, my friends, I'm not giving any investment advice. From here, you can talk to customer support in this section. If you have any questions or anything, you can definitely talk to them. All right. Here, my friends, we see account, meaning deposit and withdraw. You can talk to them about any problem you have, and they will definitely respond, as you saw with me, my friends. From here, you can open an account. All you have to do is register like this, in this way, or you can log in directly using your Gmail or Apple account, and it gets linked directly and easily. Okay? So from here, you can sign up as usual, and if you already have an account, just log in like this. Or you can use the QR code with your phone, scan it, and log in directly without wasting any time. It also supports dark mode, as you can see with me, dark mode, as we can see here. Here, my friends, is where you can download their app. From here, you can change the language, as you can see with me, to Spanish. And here are other languages, like Indonesian, as you can see. And here's a symbol, for example, from USD to Euro. So you choose whatever you want. Okay, of course, my friends, this was just a quick look at this platform and its many features. Of course, here are their statistics, as you can see. And with that, goodbye. See you in the next episode.